Started back in 2000. We had 98 trucks, and it's just escalated from there. It's kind of almost a time warp for the weekend.
Pat Island, Tom Island, Jonathan Island. We've been in the trucking industry for 27 years. We've been doing truck showing for 10 plus years. Everybody always asks us why do we keep coming back. It's all about meeting new people and hanging out with your old buddies, and it's always fun watching family and kids and everything enjoy what you build.
Saturday night we have a truck pull. Trucks swell up over 2,000 horse. Pretty good time.